how to fix black screen on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your Android phone screen is black, it's not displaying anything, and it's not responsive. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to fix this. The first is going to be to simply go ahead and try to charge your Android phone. Before you do that, make sure the charging port on the bottom does not have any lint, is not full of dirt, anything like that that'll stop the connector from actually plugging in. Then just plug it in and charge your Android phone for around 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure that it does get some charge. And if it does get enough charge, it'll automatically turn on if that was the issue. Now this phone's screen is not black, but I'm just using it as an example. Now, if that didn't fix it, the next thing we can do is perform a force restart on our Android phone. And this could be useful if maybe the Android phone froze or something happened to it where the display is not working from a software issue. Now we can easily perform a force restart by simply holding down the power button on our Android phone from anywhere to 15 to 30 seconds. So just keep holding down the power button until you feel the phone vibrate, and that'll let you know that it actually turned off or rebooted. Now, if you have a Samsung phone, you want to hold down the power button and the volume down button. So just keep holding it down. And on my Pixel, it took about 30 seconds, but I did see the Google logo show up. I can now let go of the power button and it performed a force restart and fixed the black screen issue. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.